Magandang araw mga kabayan at kadepensa, may ibabahagi na naman ako sa inyo. Dahil ngayong araw na ito ay pag-uusapan tayong tungkol sa ating depensa. Pilipinas handa na sa balikatan military exercise, habang kumpirmado na Japan mamimigay ng helicopter. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, huwag mo muna kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe. Paki-follow at like muna ng aming page na nasa description na ang link. Kinumpirma mismo ni Philippine Army Commanding General Romeo Bronner Jr., ang kahandaan ng Pilipinas sa dadaluhang balikatan exercises 2023, inaasahan ang nasabing pagsasanay ay makadaragdag sa kakayanan ng mga Pilipinong sundalo pagdating sa defense at humanitarian response capability nito. Bukod sa mga Pilipino, makikilahok din ang ilang personnel ng US Armed Forces sa nasabing taunang aktibidad. Narito nga po ang buong pahayag ni Philippine Army Commanding General Romeo Bronner Jr. patungkol sa military exercise na ito.
That we have to develop. For instance, collapse building rescue, confined space rescue, vertical rescue, and so on, water rescue. So we really have to work on all of this. And because the Japanese are already experts in this, they will be sharing their knowledge, their skills to us, so that we will be able to function as rescuers. Yes. And we can do this in an international environment such as Turkey, such as the one happening in Turkey right now.
Habang ang pagbibigay ng Japan ng mga libreng helicopter para sa Pilipinas ay kinumpirma ng Philippine Army, matapos mangako ang Japan ng libreng tulong pangdepensa, narito naman po ulit ang pahayag ni Philippine Army Commanding General Romeo Bronner Jr. tungkol sa ibibigay na helicopter ng Japan. Panoorin po ninyo.
Sir, yung helicopters kasama sa HABRTOR, kasama po ba yun?
Hindi siya kasama, but definitely this, if the deal or the grant will push through for the giving of or transfer of helicopters to the Philippine Army, definitely we will be using this in part rescue operations.
Sir, model, helicopter model.
We don't know exactly what.
And how much, or
How much?
We don't have numbers, we don't have costs yet.
The bilateral meetings that we had with the Japan Ground Self-Defense Force, we were asked what we needed in order to beef up the capability of the Philippine Army. And one of my thrusts, ever since I took over as Commanding General of the Philippine Army, is the development and strengthening of our aviation capability. So I told General Yoshida, Sir, the Philippine Army needs aircraft, particularly helicopters. And he said that they will look into the possibility of giving the Philippine Army a grant of helicopters. We understand, yes, these are the helicopters that will be retired from service in the Japan Ground Self-Defense Forces, but these are still usable aircraft. In fact, they are very much reliable aircraft. But I think there will be an upgrade for the Japanese Ground Self-Defense Forces.
Paki-follow at like muna ng aming page na nasa description na ang link. Pwede ka ring manalo ng pera or load dito kapag ikaw ay naging top fan nito at napili. Huwag mo na rin kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe. Pindutin mo na rin ang bell para updated kayo sa aking mga video. Maraming salamat po.